Guys, I am here to tell you about something I did over the weekend that was really awesome. I joined a 2-day live workshop with Junior Anthony called Live SOTORI, and it's about 7 hours worth of training, and you get to ask him any question you want, and he gives you all the answers. He also explains how to do these things. So if you're into FBA, if you're into Facebook ads, if you're into YouTube, if you're into arbitrage, anything at all, he knows it, he's done it, and he explains it to you, and he tells you what to stay away from, what to spend your money on, what'll be successful, what'll give you the most results. Just stuff that we usually have to do trial and error because nobody tells us, and they always tell us spend more money, which we do, and we never quite get that carrot. This is awesome. This is worth its weight in gold. It's not very expensive, and you get your money's worth. I want to say thank you, Junior. This was fantastic for me, and Brunel, thank you so much for inviting me. I hope everybody comes. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.